Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert links in PowerPoint slides. So the first step you simply need to do is to open PowerPoint, and then you simply need to click on insert, and here is the option of link. So I'm going to add text, for example, Facebook. Select that, go on to the link, and here you need to add the address. You can link any folder from your PC as well. So I'm going to add a website and click on OK. So once you click on that, here you can see that a website will be pop up. Here you can see. So you simply need to click on control, and then you simply need to click on that, and that website will be open. And here you can see that now it will redirect me to this Facebook. So this is the process how you can easily insert links in PowerPoint slides. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.